Good evening, friends. Study with Apala Engineering and Journal Geology, Parvin Singh book. Chapter 4 Geological Work of Water, River Meandering. When a streams flow along a curved zigzag path acquiring a loop-shaped course, it is said to meander. So the term is actually derived from the Meanders River in Greece. That is so this phenomenon is a very prominent manner. The process of development of zigzag types of channels for itself is called river meandering. Meanders are developed mostly in the middle and lower reach of major streams where lateral erosion and deposition along opposite bank becomes almost concurrent, taking places simultaneously. The geological activities of the stream. It is fairly established that is no streams the initial channel is of absolutely straight courses, site curvatures or bend may be presented here and there along the course. E in figure DE. So E erosion and D deposition. Here this when rivers flow, so curves opposite direction depositions. So typical river meandering, development of meanders. Where a stream is flowing through such a channel, it cannot be assumed to have a absolutely uniform velocity all across its width. Velocity at the convex bank may be little less than the velocity of the same rivers on the opposite concave bank. This fact is sufficient enough to give the waters of the streams flowing on the concave sides to have some erosive power. Opposite situation prevails at the convex bank, and velocity being a little less, some depositions is likely to occur here there. Thus the same river is eroding its channels on the concave sides and making it progress further inland, whereas on the convex side it is depositing at the bank, thereby causing it to move further inwards. The net result is that the outer curves of the streams are eroded. And the inner curves are built up deep with the passage of time. A loop shape outlines for the channel is a natural outcomes where a stream seen from a distance or from above appears meandering sometimes majestically. The oxbolic. In the advanced stage of a meandering streams, only the relatively narrow strips of land separate the individual loops from each other during high water times. As during small flood, when the streams acquires good volumes of water, it has a tendency to flow straight. Some of the intervening strips of land between the loop get eroded. The stream starts flowing straight in those limited stretching stretch, thereby leaving the loop or loop on the sides either completely detached or only slightly connected. These isolated curves or loop shaped areas of the earth, whilst rivers which often contain some water still up supplied from the same rivers are called oxbow. So in figure, don't forget to make a diagrams with labeling. Incised meanders. In mountainous and rocky regions, streams flowing with vigorous speed often develop meandering course by a process known as selective erosion. So the rocks forming the streams channels in those areas are not of uniform hardness all along the course. Some of them may be hard and others may be soft. Even the same rock may show different resistance to erosion at different places because of slight variations in its compositions or some such factors. A stream flowing through such a sequence of rock erodes the softer rocks much more easily and quickly, and may even develop a change in its course that may involve avoiding harder rocks again and again. So, with the passage of times, such streams, once viewed from the top, are seen flowing through prominently meandering course, cut out or inside by them in the rocky sequence. This type of meanderings, where only the cutting down of the channel is involved, is called incised meandering. So, the incised meanders are of two types: entrenched meanders, whence the walls of the valleys on either side of the meanders are broadly symmetrical in growth. Meanders, the symmetry in the sides around the meanders is absent. The Indus and Chenab's river offers many beautiful examples of insides meanders developed in their mountainous course. Thank you.